At the very base of our society's definition, mothering includes the act of birthing and raising kids. But socialization dictates that women are to be seen and not heard. A way of being that has spilled over into other areas of women's lives. For example, within the workplace, women who speak up are labeled as bossy or too aggressive. Within social contexts, women who speak their mind are perceived to be difficult. A way of socialization that continuously silences women. Our main aim with this campaign was, and still is, to dismantle this notion. We started conversations, but can we keep them going? What was important about the first Unmothering the Woman campaign was it was not only about listening, it was about finally hearing what girls and women, particularly African women, have been saying for years. It was about having pain witnessed, acknowledged, and accounted for. The dismantling of patriarchy in the stories validated women, and this validated our vision and our need to ask, no, to demand that stereotypical norms and myths have no place in our society. We created a safe space for women, especially mothers, to speak about taboo topics. And this was the profound shift. We were not only smashing patriarchy, that is, opposing something outside of ourselves. We were just ceasing to support it. We, as women, are the first line of defense against the information we receive and choose to share. We created awareness of the problems and smashed stereotypical thinking with well thought out content. But we may have started the conversations, created awareness, shared digital stories that helped inform our questions about social inclusion and agency. However, what the first campaign has shown us is that our conversations are still gendered, with women often broadly situated in the private sphere, through the concepts of care and social reproduction. We need to create more spaces for women to tell stories for women, where they're comfortable enough to share without judgment or exclusion. Welcome to the second season of the Unmothering the Woman campaign.